As we conclude our journey through the fascinating landscape of social psychology, it's pivotal to look ahead at the future directions this field may take. Social psychology, at the cusp of continuous evolution, stands to further our understanding of human behavior in an ever-changing social world. Let's explore the potential future pathways and emerging trends in social psychology. Technological advancements in social media. The digital age, particularly the rise of social media, has opened new frontiers for social psychological research. Future studies may focus more on understanding how online interactions impact self-esteem, identity, and social behaviors. The phenomenon of virtual communities and their influence on real-world behavior presents a rich area for exploration. Cross-cultural research. As globalization continues to bring diverse cultures into closer contact, cross-cultural research in social psychology will become increasingly important. Understanding how cultural differences and similarities affect social behavior will be crucial in addressing global challenges and fostering international cooperation. Environmental and climate psychology. With growing concerns about climate change and sustainability, social psychologists are likely to focus more on how social attitudes and behaviors can be influenced to promote environmental responsibility. This could include research on how to effectively encourage conservation behaviors and sustainable lifestyles. Neuroscience and social psychology. The integration of neuroscience and social psychology, often termed social neuroscience, is an emerging field. Future research might explore how biological factors intersect with social processes. This could include studying the neural underpinnings of social behaviors, emotions, and decision-making. Political polarization and social cohesion. In many societies, political polarization is a growing concern. Future research in social psychology may focus on understanding the roots of this polarization and finding ways to promote social cohesion and constructive dialogue across political divides. Mental health and well-being. The role of social factors in mental health and well-being will continue to be a key area of study. This may include research on the impact of social isolation, the role of social support in mental health, and strategies for building resilience in the face of social stressors. Diversity and inclusion. As societies become more diverse, understanding and promoting inclusivity will remain a significant focus. Future research may explore how to combat prejudice and discrimination effectively, and how to create environments where diversity is celebrated and valued. Application in policy and practice. Social psychology will continue to bridge the gap between research and real-world application. This includes influencing public policy, informing legal proceedings, and improving educational and organizational practices. In conclusion, the future of social psychology is both exciting and challenging. As we navigate a world marked by rapid technological change, environmental concerns, and cultural shifts, social psychology offers valuable insights and tools for understanding and improving our social world. In the words of psychologist Kurt Lewin, there is nothing so practical as a good theory. The theories and research in social psychology not only deepen our theoretical understanding, but also have profound practical applications, guiding us towards a more socially aware, inclusive, and harmonious society.
As we reach the conclusion of this transformative journey, it's a moment to reflect, celebrate, and look forward. On behalf of the Institute of Practical Psychology, I want to express our heartfelt gratitude for your dedication and engagement throughout this course. We understand the challenges of balancing a busy life with the pursuit of knowledge. That's why we invested thousands of hours in distilling extensive content into concise, impactful lessons. Research in educational psychology indicates that engagement and retention can diminish in longer courses. Sweller, 1988, Cognitive Load Theory, which guided our approach to provide maximum learning in minimal time. Your thoughts and experiences are incredibly valuable to us. We would be honored if you could share your feedback in the Udemy course review section. Your insights not only celebrate our collective journey, but also pave the way for continuous improvement and enrichment. Our endeavor at the Institute of Practical Psychology doesn't end here. We invite you to explore other courses we offer, each designed with the same commitment to practicality and depth. Your journey of learning and growth continues, and we have many more paths to explore together. Before you go, we kindly ask if you could rate this course. Your rating helps others discover this opportunity and extends the circle of learning. Moreover, if you found this course enlightening, please share it with colleagues and friends who may also benefit from these insights. Each course is more than just a learning experience. It's a stepping stone in your life's journey. As we bid farewell, remember that this isn't just the end of a course, but the beginning of new opportunities to apply what you've learned. We wish you the very best in your future endeavors and hope that the knowledge gained here serves as a valuable asset in your journey. Continue to learn, grow, and inspire. Until next time, farewell and good luck.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.